feels heavier than I can hold, and the world turns distant, quiet, cold. You're the steady breath that pulls me through, the simple truth I come back to when the road feels longer than it seems, and doubt creeps in between my dreams. You place your hand inside of mine, and everything starts realigning. I don't need to know what's ahead, as long as I'm here where you stand. Stay with me through all our days, through every storm, through every change. When the ground feels weak below my feet, you're the calm that steadies me. If the world forgets our names, if the light grows thin with age, stay with me, don't drift away. Stay with me through all our days. I remember nights I almost broke, carrying fears I never spoke, but your love did.